All right, we're sitting here at Kohkret Island right here, as you can see. It's a Thursday, maybe. There's nothing going on. Looks like all the bars are closed, cafes, nothing is going on. All right, you see here, this is another little cafe and restaurant just full of plants. This is kind of the art area of Kohkret. So you can normally rent a bike here. See, like that. There's the island right here. You can see how big it is right here. And we took a ferry from right up there, and we went over to right there. So yeah. Anyway, you can actually go around the whole island on a bike. And what we're gonna do one day, we're gonna rent a boat and go all the way around and then go up and go north. Anyway, here. Yeah, here we go. So, as this gentleman is talking about right now, they have handmade pottery down here. And so we're gonna go this way right here. Oh, I don't know what's going on here, but okay, let's keep going. Actually, some of these places here have a homestay, and you can kind of just check in, pay like $15 or $10, stay the night. Some of them are a bit nicer. Oh, this is the area where they make pottery in here. Right in here. Oh, look at all this. And they have old brick ovens, if you can see this right here. This is from back in the day. Brick oven just like that. And this is kind of old school. So then we make the pottery right here. On a busy day, you can actually sit down and make something with the experts here. People that do this kind of every day. And we were in here a couple weeks ago. You can see right here. So yeah. Again, oh, right in here. Oh, very beautiful. Hello, sawadee krap. Can I come in? Oh yeah? Is this okay, Mai? Okay. So yeah, you can see here. Sawadee krap. Oh, swan lak. Oh. Yeah, so you can see how hand carved it is here, like how much precision it takes to do all this. I don't know how long it takes them to do each one, but it takes them a while. And some of the prices here, oh, okay, 250 baht. That's something like $7 right there for one of these, handmade. So pretty cool right here. Looks like $3, but I'm sure you can bargain. Really cool. So here's one of the ovens right here where they cook the pots here. Right here, you can see the right here. It's a huge one. It goes all the way back there. I wonder how old these are. I might ask him. Cool. Anyway, it's a family business here, so yeah. And we're watching them do this. Wow. What he's gonna make next. So really cool. Obviously puts his hands in the water over here and helps him shape it right here. Really cool. I was asking him before how much these brick ovens, I'm sorry, not how much, how old they are. And they're over 50 years old. Which is pretty amazing. Taking a little string now. Oh, and he put the top on. Oh, now he's just showing off. Wow, very cool. All right, I'm impressed. Alright, so I bought something just like this here. The top actually comes off. Just like that. And it is 90 cents. All handmade. So, yep. Alright, we got taxi drivers right here. They'll take you anywhere for $1. We got a rickshaw guy right here. Ooh. Rickshaw right here. Something's going on down here. I don't know what. Going to a busier street here. Alright, we got some traffic right here. Actually, the traffic in this city is not that bad if you know when to go. So, I usually have a rule: if you leave from about 10 a.m. Until about 3 p.m. you're fine, and then if you leave again after about 8 p.m. you're fine. A lot of the minivans or taxis, they will take the tollway, so it gets you above the city, you get a view, it's pretty cheap, so it's pretty nice.